Good morning, Facebook peeps. Today is, let's see here, Wednesday. Wednesday, May 22nd, and we are doing our Facebook Live today. Remember, I'm switching it from Friday because it seems like Friday I'm usually working for sure, and so Wednesdays is my typical studio day where I film some videos and try to edit videos and do some of that kind of stuff. So I figured it would be a natural transition to do it on Wednesday, and for the most part, I usually don't work Wednesdays or Tuesday nights. It's one of those days. So I'm going to switch it to Wednesdays, and it's good morning, Barb. Barb, thanks for joining me this morning. I'm going to do I've got a couple of, I'm going to unbox my paper pumpkin. I've got a couple cards to share with you and just a real quick little video or a little trick using the triple banner punch. So while we're waiting here for people to pop in, let's see what's been going on here in Rob's. It's usually the dogs that are stopping in during Facebook Live, but Rob is bringing me work. So excuse Rob dropping in. Say hi, Rob.
Hi.
He should be off at work, don't you think? I guess he's doing paperwork today and bringing me more work to do. So let's see what's been going on in our world. It's a soccer weekend this weekend. We were frantically looking for Ella's jersey. She wore her jersey Mother's Day, and this weekend we could not find her jersey literally anywhere. I took her room apart. We took all the bins down. We literally cleaned every square inch of her bedroom because that's where she said she had left it last. I swear we have a ghost in our house. We've got an old house. It's a friendly ghost, but we have got a ghost. I have no other explanation for it. We had to use Denver's jersey, one of his old jerseys from last year. And it was, of course, bagging on her. She's a third of his size. But we were in a panic. We literally I took bins apart. I took all of her drawers apart. We took her bed apart. We literally looked everywhere. And Saturday morning was horrible. But anyways, I don't know, last night, I have been in and out of the laundry room for, I did every load of, I'm down to my last 3 loads of laundry of everybody's. And there it was, laying on the laundry room floor. I asked Rob, I asked Denver, I asked all of the boys that are in and out of the house, Ella, everybody. Nobody can tell me how that jersey landed on the floor. And you guys, it's crazy. I don't know where else it would have came from unless it was a ghost. So if one of you guys brought me the jersey, thank you very much. But it would rest my mind if you tell me that you brought the jersey, so I don't think I'm going crazy. But anyway, I am going crazy, but that's beside the point. So anyways, that was our week. We found the blue jersey. We're still looking for the white jersey. We haven't seen that for a while, so we might need to do Project Runway on her long sleeve one, because I'm thinking this weekend we aren't going to need long sleeve jerseys. Although today they said it was supposed to be 78, and I'm wearing a sweatshirt and I've got the wood stove on, so who knows. But anyways, we might take a scissors along to this the weekend and do Project Runway on a jersey, make it a long sleeve into a short. So you guys just have no clue all the excitement and fun that goes on around this house. So anyways, if you'll notice, the background is a little different. I'm doing my Facebook Live in a different place simply because it's too cluttered over there in that corner, and I need to get on that. So we just moved for a couple of times. We'll see. So I'm going to flip you guys around, and hopefully this will work since I had to reset up my stand. You know how I used to have problems. Now let's flip that around, and look at that. Let's make sure that it's level and tight and stays in the same place. So there we go. And Deb and Barb are here this morning. Oh, it's all fun and games. All right, so kids, last week we shared this card. Wasn't that fun? We made that in class, and I had mentioned that if someone shares my video or likes it or leaves a comment, that I would draw from the names. This one is going to go to my friend Molly, and I will get that in the mail to you with a catalog. I'm working on getting catalogs out in the mail. It's kind of a long process, so we'll get those out in the mail ASAP here. So that is the card that's going to go to Molly. All right. let us, yesterday, this came. This was the paper pumpkin. And if you are not a paper pumpkin subscriber, I would highly recommend getting involved with that. It is a subscription that comes to your door once a month, and it is a lot of fun. So this is the So Shelly. It was designed by our co-founder, Shelly Gardner, and this was her design this month. So this is the paper pumpkin. I have not opened this yet, so it's going to be fun for both of us. I do have 2, 4, I think I have 6 extra kits. So if someone did not get a kit and would like one, please let me know and we can get you a kit. So this is what it looks like. And instead of the typical blue, it's got this gorgeous Grapefruit Grove peach tissue paper here. The stamp set, Grateful Hello. Can you see that? Let's leave it on here. Maybe it's a little easier. So it's got some flowers, some flying birds, a feather, thank you, hugs, dear friend, for you in love. So gorgeous, gorgeous set. Wow, that's gonna be fun. All right. Early Espresso is the little stamping spot. I think we've had that one before, but I could very well be wrong. So that is that. Let's open this up. Good morning, Ruby. Did you get your paper pumpkin? Oh, so stinking cute. Oh, this should be fun. Let's check. Oh. Eee. Sweet. All right. So let's see what this looks like. Some fabulous velvet ribbon, and it looks like some pinks and some, I would say that's our new pretty peacock. These are the envelopes, and yes, even though they're the small size, they can be mailed. Then you don't have to write as much, so you don't have to be as verbose in your thank yous. You can just say thank you and then a few other words instead of filling up the whole space. Look at how cool that is. Oy, yoy. Love it. Woohoo. Woohoo. Oh, some little die cut. Oh, vellum die cuts. Oh, very cool. And that. Oh, I know. I got mine this. Yeah. Oh, very, very pretty. So they make cards that look. Oh, where's that one? I missed that one. Oh, here it is. Oh, look at that. So cool. And then this one. That is what you're going to make. So it makes, let's see, how many cards does it make? It makes 12 note cards with envelopes. Oh, very, very cool. So if you, birds and feathers are totally on trend right now. And so yeah, if you would like one of these paper pumpkin kits, contact me and I will save one of the 6 extra that I have for you. So very, very cool. A little bit of housekeeping that we need to give you is today is May 22nd. Today is the last day to sign up for Stamp Camp Anoga on the early bird pricing. Remember, we have that camp that I think it's in June. I'm forgetting the date. I think it's actually it's I think the 22nd of June, Saturday. We have the morning card class and then an all-day retreat. So at the all-day retreat, we feed you twice, lunch and supper. And so make sure today is the last day that you can sign up for early bird pricing. So just hop on over to my website, hit events, and find the camp if you want to make sure that you get in on that. So here is one of the cards that we're going to be making at camp. Isn't that gorgeous? So it's a lovely little thanks. And here is the other one. We are working on some fun folds and various things for the cards 3, 4, and 5. Remember, during the morning session, we make 5 cards with envelopes, and for early bird pricing, it's only 25 bucks. If you wait till tomorrow, it'll be 30. So, but it's a good value either way. So, but I would encourage you to, hop on early and order up your ticket. And again, all day or in just the morning session. So that's that. Let's see, what else can I show you today? This is the card that will go out to one of you lucky, fun viewers that are, if you share my video, make a comment, or share my video, like it, leave a comment, whatever. I'm going to draw a name, and one of you is going to get this card. This is made with that Everything is Rosy medley, fabulous medley. We made 4 cards yesterday at my Everything is Rosy class, and if you purchase the Everything is Rosy kit from me, you will get a cardstock packet with supplies to make this card, this card, this card, and this card, as well as I will send you a link for a video on how to make those cards. So cool. But anyways, I wanted to show you a really quick and cool technique using the triple banner punch. So this is the triple banner punch. It is available in the catalog. It is probably one of my very favorite punches, because what it is meant to do is you can punch three different sizes of and make them a banner. So you have 1 inch, 1.5, so that fits in between those grooves, and then you can do a 2 inch. So this is what it will normally look like. So this is using the 1.5, and so what you get is a fabulous little banner. I mean, those are pretty on trend. They work pretty quick. Cool. So let me show you how I took the banner punch and used it to make pennants. Okay, so flip it around the back, and you are going to come in. If you can you see that there? Let's see if I can. Right in here is a groove, and that is the punching groove, right? All right, so I'm actually going to do 2 of them because I think I can make this work. If I come in the back and feed my cardstock, I'm going to actually just do one because this is a little thicker than the paper I used yesterday. Do you see how that just feeds right in there? If I line that up, you see that? So cool. And punch it, it is a pennant. Versus if we come in the front and punch, it's a banner. Fabulously fun, isn't it? So cool. So again, this is some paper that's retiring. Share what you love. It's gorgeous paper. We used it for the class last week, but I used the triple banner punch this week to make these pennants. So that is what I've got for you for Facebook Wednesday. I need to have a fun name. Do you got a fun name for my Facebook Lives on Wednesday? Like whatever Wednesdays or wacky Wednesdays? I don't know. We need a name. So think about that. Leave me a comment here. Share my video. Again, if you want to place an order using the hostess code, I will draw for a gift certificate. Last month's winner was Barb. Barb D, not Drensky, not, you know, my usuals. It was another Barb. We have lots of Barbs that stamp. So anyways, what else is new? That should be it. Gonna be a good week. Hopefully the weather will clear up here and I can head out and do a little horseback riding this afternoon. And that's the scoop. Leave me a comment, share the love. We will chat soon. Thanks.